Hey guys, today let's learn to disable contact sharing on iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and disable the contact sharing feature that you have on your iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, all we need to do is to go ahead and launch the settings application. And what I want you to go for is the option to edit your name drop or your contact sharing feature. We can actually go and try to access that over onto the AirDrop feature. So let's go ahead and tap on the general section right here. And what I want to do is to tap on over on AirDrop right here. And let's tap on bringing devices together. And we should basically have this toggled off. Now what this is going to do is it's going to disable the contact sharing, the AirDrop feature, and the name drop feature as well. And basically turn off the contact sharing feature altogether on iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and do this, just go ahead and disable this right here. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.